I got a question from a subscriber recently, and they were struggling to get traffic to their blog posts and videos. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a little known formula to tap into Google alerts to literally get floods and floods of traffic very quickly. So keep watching. On this channel, I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales online. So if you want more videos like that, be sure to go down below, subscribe, and also click that little bell notification so you're always notified of videos just like this. Okay, my friend, now I'm on my laptop. Now, the very first thing you want to do is you want to head to Google Alerts. Now, if you don't know how to find this, it's basically google.com/alerts. Now, when you head to this website, what you're going to see is a search bar at the very top. Okay, now this is where we're actually going to enter in keywords and topics that we want to get alerted as soon as possible on. Okay, so now if you don't know why this is so powerful, basically what you have to understand is if you're doing blog posts, for example, and you're creating content in hopes to get more leads and attract clients or customers, what you have to understand is keywords is what you're really doing, right? You're doing blog posts about certain topics in your niche. Now, you can do topics that are more evergreen, okay, meaning topics like if you're in the weight loss niche, you can do a topic on how to lose weight, or there's also ways of getting traffic that you can do it on topics that are happening right now. Okay, if you've ever seen videos on YouTube, for example, that are like reaction videos. So something happens in the news and then people will actually do a reaction video reacting to what just happened. Now, you may have noticed that these types of videos get thousands and thousands of views, okay? Same with blog posts. If you do a blog post on a trend, a new topic, it gets floods of traffic very quickly because in that moment, thousands and thousands of people, if not millions of people, are searching for information. So if you can tie that back to your topic, you're really going to notice a surge of traffic rather than doing a topic that will get traffic consistently over time. Okay, there's two different methods here. I recommend doing both, but I'm going to share with you how to get tons of traffic quickly with using this Google Alert formula. Okay, now what you want to do is think about what niche you're in first off. So let's say you're in, I'll just use the weight loss niche. Okay, what you want to do is go to the very top of the search bar and type in a quote sign, okay, and then type in a word or a couple words about your niche. So let's say weight loss, okay, because let's say that's what I'm the niche I'm in. Then you want to do a close quote. So you want to basically put those words in between quote marks, and then you want to look down here. Okay, so basically this is going to be previews of the most recent blog articles and posts other people have made around your topic. So you can basically go down and scan and see what people are posting about right now. Now, what you're going to find if you do this consistently, very often there will be a new topic or a new post that is very, very relevant that tons of people are searching. So for example, if I see right here, okay, let's see. If I see here, okay, does intermittent fasting actually promote weight loss? So let's say, I'm going down here and I see intermittent fasting. Well, I could say that and I could go, okay, is intermittent fasting trending right now? Is that a popular topic, right? It sparks content ideas. That's another powerful thing. This will actually give you tons of content ideas. But let's say you're going down and what will happen is, if I do this, okay, weight loss or latest weight loss, okay, latest weight loss, and I search, now I'm going to see things that are the latest weight loss information. These are trends. So right here, director Kevin Smith looks almost unrecognizable in latest weight loss picture, okay? So think about this. If you are in the weight loss niche, and you saw this alert, this is a brand new video story at the time of recording this video at least, you could potentially do a blog article teaching 7 tips Kevin Smith used to lose weight, right? Because there's millions of people searching for that right now, you could tie that back to your niche and now get a flood of traffic very, very quickly. This is incredibly powerful. So let me go down and see a couple more. Okay, Chanel Hayes probably reveals weight loss. So Chanel Hayes, I'm not exactly sure who that is. I can click and open the magazine article and read more. You know, you can open any of these articles in a new tab and read more. But let's say that was a famous person. You know, again, you could do a blog post. You know, Chanel Hayes reveals top 3 tips she used to lose weight. And then you have an article around 3 tips. And then you can, you know, link it back to your business or your product or something like that. Okay, so the light bulbs are probably going off for you and you're realizing how powerful this Google Alert formula actually is. But now here's how to automate this, okay? Because you're probably thinking this is incredible, but you may not want to everyday search, you know, and research and do all that yourself. I'm going to share with you a bonus way, my friend, because I really want to help you on how to get these alerts on autopilot, okay? So anytime something new in your niche is happening, you can actually get notified automatically. So what you want to do is click Create Alert, and then go to this little pen icon, click that, and now I can edit this saved alert. And so for example, how often? This is how often do you want to get notified when there's a new article or post on that topic. So let's say at most once a day, okay? So I want to get daily alerts. Now sources, okay, this is awesome. You can do news. If you just want news sources on that topic, you can do blogs. If you just want books, okay, discussions. Maybe you want to know about forum posts. You know, what are you know, your target market saying about this topic? You can set it. Language, if you just want a specific language, okay? You know, maybe you just want Dutch posts. Any region, okay, you can do, you know, by region. How many? Okay, only the best results, all results. And then the last thing you want to do is deliver to, you want to put in the email address, the Google email address, the Gmail, that you want to get this alert sent to, okay? Because Google will literally curate all these new posts for you and deliver it on autopilot to the Gmail account that you put in there. Totally powerful, my friend. And I think you're realizing how incredible this is when you want to do content marketing and get a ton of traffic fast. So now you know a powerful way to generate more content ideas and really siphon a trending topic to get loads and loads of traffic. But how exactly do you turn this traffic into leads for your business? Be sure to grab my free training audio down below revealing 17 ways to get leads today. All of them are incredibly easy and simple, and all but one of them are totally free and don't cost a thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends, any business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Also, comment below, what do you want me to help you with next? I'm putting these videos out daily, and I'd love to help you, my friend. So thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.